Hi guys, we're at the Science Center. So look at this. We're on the second floor, and look, the train set is open. Oh, here comes this one. He's coming. He's coming. There he is. There's a train. What kind of train is that? I never saw that train. There's Thomas. Thomas, there she goes. And there's a hot air balloon over there. Oh, there's Thomas. Thomas! And there's a fish behind it. Whoa, there's another train. What kind of train is that? Thomas? Oh, I see Thomas. He's coming. 3, 2, 1. Boom, bam, bam. Thomas, hi Thomas. Birthday hat. It's Thomas's birthday.
It's Thomas's birthday.
Yeah, he has a birthday hat on. Happy birthday, dear Thomas. Is Thomas coming? Let's see Thomas, guys. Thomas. He's coming. He's coming. Oh, there's Thomas. Thomas is coming. 3, 2, 1. Thomas's birthday. Hi, Thomas. Hi, face. So, guys, I want to show you something. Yeah. Over here, he kind of shows up randomly. If we go further, you see this porta potty. It opens. And there's a man inside, guys. I don't want to show that. Over here, guys, there is a Ferris wheel. And there's the other chair. Wow. Thanks for interrupting. And there's a waterfall. And there's a park over here. What is that train? Whose train? What train is that? And hot air balloon is right there. Okay, guys. And this is a farm. Here goes the other train, guys. There's the hot air balloon. It's so much closer. There goes the other train. Whoa! This one is cool. Right over here. He's moving. I see one moving. I see one moving. Even this one. Oh, there's Gurky Turkeys, which I call them from Red TV. Go check out his channel. And look at this. There's another set. What train is that called? Guys. Oh, he's actually mining. I saw that. Mine. He's mining. They're mining. See, hear that? That click. Here comes the other train. Is that a porta potty up there? Here comes 2 trains. Oh, I saw a yellow train over there. See, they're mining. They're building. Look at that. There's a hotel right over here. Hold on. I saw this. And over here. This is where the airplane. Air balloon right there. It's so close. And over here, guys. Look at this. I see what's inside of there, and they're building another one. What is this? That looks like a metal air balloon. And there's another train. And there's so much people down this track thing. Wow. That's cool. So much cool. And over here it is nighttime now. Everybody has to go inside. Oh, this Lights you have to turn off. Nighttime, guys. Everybody, oh! There goes the other train. And over here. I think this is where they play baseball. This is a big thing. The crowd goes wild.
No, it's like a.
The crowd goes wild.
Like a bus.
And over here, guys, there's the American flag. Guys, there's the American flag. Who is this? Who is that? Oh, it's a tree.
It's a what?
It's a tree.
A tree?
Yeah,
Grandma said this is a field.
A baseball field.
baseball field. Yeah, the crowd goes wild. Crowd goes wild. First swing, and there's a playground.
You want to try the train whistle or do you want to push the big button?
Oh, do you want to push the button for the train whistle?
Yeah.
Right over here. Go ahead, push down with one hand.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh.
Good job.
Wow. I thought I would do like it 2 times. Setting the scenes. Ooh.
This is setting the scene. Houses
It's daytime
in the
now.
country.
It's daytime over here.
Daytime in the country.
There goes the
Houses
train.
and clothes,
Oh, somebody's moving in the house. I saw somebody moved in the house.
How you doing today?
Yes.
Yeah, there's somebody moving in those houses.
Oh my goodness gracious. People are moving in that. What the? They're dancing. Oh no, that's a mom holding a plate. That's it. Mom is. Yeah, I can only see it.
Let me see. On the camera, can you see it?
No. No, I can't.
No, you can't see
can't
him.
see it?
No, it's too
What
small.
is that mom
You
doing?
can see it with his eyes though.
Kenzie, there's people moving. There's a train, guys. Oh my
Did you
goodness.
see people dancing in the house?
No.
Which house, Jackson?
That one. See that? In that house? You see that light on in that house? It's too small. Wow, there's a whistle.
Do you want to blow the whistle?
Do the whistle and push the button?
Want to push the button? Shall I push the whistle? Now, Kenzie, 3L.
Good job. Good job.
No, it's your turn. Jackson, push it again.
Good job. Good job.
Wait, there's a deer over there. The horses. Oh, a train! Chicka, 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 chicka. Chicka, chicka, chicka.
Hi, Jackson. Is that your train whistle?
Yeah. What? Oh, there's people dancing.
Did you get the farm?
I got the farm.
Did you get it?
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, that barn. There's a barn over there, guys. Wait, what the? The horse tail is moving. The horse tail's moving. Wow. Whoa, look at that tree. The tree.
They're dancing.
Yeah, they're dancing on the porch. I saw that. There's a dog. Oh, there's a dog.
That's a dairy farm. That looks like
There's
a dairy
a dog.
farm.
There's a
Cows.
dog.
See the
There's a
cows?
boy dog. There's a dog over there. What the? Oh, that's what they do? Oh! It's getting dark in here. Oh, it's like turning nighttime. Nighttime is coming for the tree. Look, guys. It's sunny now.
There's a bridge. See the bridge?
Look at that train.
That bridge? Where?
That's it.
The bridge right there of the water.
Whoa! Look, guys, rocks.
No, not there behind the train.
Yum, yum. Look, guys, rocks. Those are big rocks.
I see a horse.
There's a person at the door. See, guys, look. There's a person dancing in there. That's where the train sleeps. Look, Grandma. That's where the train sleeps.
That's where the train is.
Mhm. Yeah. Look, guys, there's a train station.
Oh, Kenzie, look at the train.
Whoa. Wait, is it? Don't tell me. Wait, the track is broken down. Look, Thomas! 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 Jackson, Thomas!
Jackson, there's Thomas.
Thomas is over there. Look. Some places like see. Look, guys, lights.